everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm arranging a fresh flower hand-tied bouquet, and it is going to be monochromatic. So currently it's kind of mid-January where I'm at right now, so I kind of have St. Patrick's Day on my mind, and I know when we get closer to that early spring season, you see a lot of green, especially around St. Patrick's Day. So I have these lime-colored roses. I'm using an artificial spiral eucalyptus. You can use fresh though. I have some of this ruscus here. And I'll be using a collar of artificial wintergreen, but you could use seeded eucalyptus, would be really beautiful with this fresh arrangement. So putting the flowers together, it's just a matter of bringing the stems in at an angle to where you can make that nice hand-tied dome shape that you often see with bridal bouquets. So as far as placement goes, just trying to place the greenery and the roses evenly apart from each other. You can pull them in kind of nice and tight though, working a little bit of the greens within the arrangement and on the outside. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm going to be doing something fun with lily grass. So I have this fresh lily grass. It comes in dark green and variegated colors. I'm using the dark green, but it is fun to work with. So as you can see, I'm just going to take a little bit of the bottom stem there and pull it right over my arrangement. So I'm kind of making an encasement for it. Gives it a little bit of interest, just a pop of something different. If you wanted to break up that kind of lime green monochromatic style, adding in the dark green just kind of gives it a different flavor, a little bit of a lift if you like something different. So the lily grass, although it is fresh, it will be fine out of water for at least a couple of days. So if I wouldn't do ahead the arrangement 2 days ahead, but if you're doing it the night before, the lily grass does not necessarily have to be in the water. So if the stems are not long enough to go in the water and around the bouquet, not an issue. It will be fine. And then I work a collar of, like I said, this artificial kind of winter pine type of greenery, but seeded eucalyptus would be absolutely gorgeous with this because you'll get that drapey movement with the bouquet. I just didn't have any, but I do like that lighter green on the bottom there. When putting in the lily grass, I just kind of did randomly throughout. I did rearrange the lily grass when I was off the camera, but if you have it coming in and out of the bouquet at different locations, it really creates a great interest. And you can see I'm messing with it there, trying to spread it out. I'm trying to keep away from making one crisscross point because you want the eye to kind of travel all throughout the bouquet there. But at the end picture, you can see how it turned out after I messed with it a bit more. It's tough to do it when it's on the camera. Once I have everything where I like it, I put a chenille stem around. I'll probably measure 2 hands down on the stem, give it a trim, and then you can either wrap the stem with a satin ribbon if you'd like, or you could leave the stems exposed. If you leave them exposed, you can keep them in the water well overnight. If you're going to wrap the bouquet handle, I would wait till a little bit closer to the event. That way the roses drink up as much water as they possibly can before their big show. But there you go. This is a monochromatic bouquet in green tones, so using our foliage to give some interest to the hand-tied arrangement. Thank you so much for watching.